When it comes to using business credit tools that integrate with accounting, most people overlook just how important it is to have seamless synchronization between your finances and your credit. I mean, it can literally save you hours each month and prevent a ton of costly mistakes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose and use these tools so you can level up your business finances like a pro, and I promise, there's one crucial piece of information I'll share later that most people miss. Stay tuned for that. You're probably wondering, why do I even need these integrations in the first place? Well, imagine you're trying to reconcile your business credit card statements with your accounting software manually. It's tedious, it's error-prone, and it can quickly get out of control. But with the right tools that automatically integrate your business credit with your accounting system, all that headache disappears. Transactions are recorded instantly, expenses are categorized properly, and you're left with more time to focus on growing your business. Now, let's talk about what makes the best business credit tools for integration. You don't want to be stuck with a credit tool that only works halfway with your accounting system. The key is to find a tool that is fully integrated, meaning it syncs with your accounting software in real time. This ensures that every purchase, every payment, every transaction is immediately updated in your books without you lifting a finger. Tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and Wave have these integrations, but the real magic happens when your business credit tool can feed directly into these systems. It makes the accounting process smooth and seamless. You don't have to manually enter transactions anymore. Everything's done for you. Next up, let's discuss categorizing expenses and maintaining a clear audit trail. This is where a lot of people mess up. When your credit card is integrated with your accounting software, it automatically categorizes your business expenses. For example, if you buy new office supplies, it will immediately categorize that as office supplies. Why is this important? Because at tax time, this categorization is essential to ensuring you're maximizing your deductions. It's easy to miss this, but if your business credit tool doesn't sync properly, you risk losing out on money you could save. Here's something most business owners don't think about: credit utilization. By using business credit tools that integrate with your accounting system, you can actually track your credit utilization rate. Why is this a big deal? Well, it's not just about keeping your credit card balance low to maintain a healthy credit score. It's about optimizing your cash flow. With these tools, you can see at a glance if you're overextending your credit or if you need to adjust your spending habits. Monitoring your utilization in real time helps you make smarter, more informed decisions about your business finances. Let's go deeper. Automated reporting is a game changer. Instead of digging through credit card statements or manually calculating your monthly spending, an integrated tool can generate detailed financial reports for you. These reports can show you everything from how much you're spending on marketing to how much you're paying in interest. And the best part? These reports can be customized. Need a detailed view of what's going out each month? Or how about an overview of your credit card balances across multiple accounts? The automation in these tools saves you from the grunt work and lets you focus on more important aspects of running your business. I mentioned earlier that there's one critical piece of info I'm going to share that could make or break your experience with these tools. Well, here it is. You need to ensure that the credit tool you choose has real-time synchronization with your accounting software, not just a one-time import. Many tools will only let you import data periodically, which can cause issues down the line. Real-time syncing means everything is updated instantly, so you can always rely on your data being up-to-date and accurate. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and support content like this. Content that's not incentivized by affiliate commissions, but just real value. This channel is all about cutting through the noise and giving you the honest, no-strings-attached truth. Thanks for watching.